Russet potatoes. These are the ones you already know, even if you don't know the name. Big, brown, kind of rough on the outside. When you cook them right, they turn super fluffy inside and crispy outside. That's why fries taste so good. But if you boil them, they just fall apart. So yeah, amazing for fries, not great for everything else. Yukon Gold potatoes. Now this is the easy one. Yellow inside, a little buttery without you adding anything. You can mash them, roast them, do pretty much anything and they'll still taste good. But they don't get that same crispy crunch as russets. So they're more reliable, just not as extreme. Red potatoes. These are smaller, smooth, and they stay firm no matter what. Boil them, slice them, throw them in a salad. They hold their shape perfectly. But try to mash them, and they feel kinda heavy. Not bad, just not fluffy. So really, it's simple. Some potatoes go soft, some stay solid, and picking the wrong one ruins the whole dish.